What if you could feel natural euphoria on demand? Would you want to know how? I used to feel all types of negative emotions, rarely experiencing the positive ones. That was before finding this self-hack that I now use to balance out my emotions, not to only feel good but rather help myself stay afloat whenever I feel overwhelmed by emotions like stress, anxiety, or depression. The self-hack I discovered is thanks to the fact that our body has this circulatory system that goes through it, called meridians in traditional Chinese medicine and nadis in yoga practice, where you can circulate euphoria everywhere in it, on demand and for hours. After unblocking these energy channels, of course. When we feel bad and think about what we don't want, they get clogged over time because that floods our energy channels with a bunch of negative emotions that is, really, energy with a higher density than positive emotions. There is a simple technique that can allow you to clear up these pathways in virtually a minute or two, depending on how aware and experienced you are of your energetic body. When you successfully do so, you regain the ability to feel euphoria all over your body and for long durations with a second practice. This self-hack, that is basically the conscious movement of your spiritual energy. Not only is this spiritual energy the very essence of the positive emotions in the physical body, it's in everything in nature. After gaining control of this, the euphoric feeling everywhere on my body and the levels of it have just been truly ecstatic. It is that positive energy that can most easily be felt/recognized as present while you experience goosebumps from positive situations/stimuli. Eventually, you can learn how to bring up this wave of positive energy without the physical reaction of goosebumps, to then feel it over your whole body and increase its duration. This euphoric energy has been researched and documented under many names and many more to be discovered, hopefully with your help. If you are interested in taking control of your energy and feel euphoria on demand, I made these 3 written tutorials explaining how you can also use this self-hack. P.S. Everyone feels this energy at certain points in their life. Some brush it off while others notice that there's something much deeper going on. Those are exactly the people you can find on the Reddit community, Spiritual Chills, where they share experiences, knowledge, and tips on it.